Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your iPhone XR. So first, what you guys can do is adjust the media volume. So let's hold the power up. Now, as you guys can see, my volume is already up to the max. Let me quickly catch it. Here we can change it, as you guys can see. Basically put it up to the max. Now what you guys can also do is disable the do not disturb focus. It can help a lot when you have problems with low volume. So go to the control center, now click on this icon right here, and now as you guys can see, the focus is totally disabled. So now what you guys can also do is try to clean the speakers and the headphone ports. So basically we got two at the bottom. As you guys can see here, we have two speaker grills, and we need to clean them either with a soft brush or something non-metallic, and maybe the compressed air. And what else can you guys do is basically update the software to fix any audio glitches that might be there. So if you're running the older version of the iOS, or let's say the 17, then make sure that you run the 18.5. You guys can go here to General, now Software Update, to check your iOS version, and make sure to update it regularly, and that would be it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.